Today we will open the magical box to find out the topic of the day. Yay! Let's open the magical box.
Today we are talking about nouns. A noun is a naming word. It is a word that names something. Let's learn together about nouns. Are you excited? A noun is the name of person, place or things. For example, father, park and dog. Now it's time to have fun. Are you ready for today's quiz? Is it a noun? Yes, dog is a noun. Is it a noun? No, it is not a noun. Is it a noun? Yes, school is a noun.
See you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching The World of Azan Baba. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.